The Jeep behind me is a JK Chief. They made them in 2017, and we're doing a cool build for it. I want to show you the whole thing. In 2017, Jeep came up with this cool idea to make these retro Jeep JK Chief Editions. They only made 3,328 of these Jeeps, most of them in this blue color, although there are some tan ones out there, and I believe another color, but I don't know exactly what that is. In the shop today, we're gonna be doing a cool build on this thing. We're doing a real retro wheel from Quadratec, as well as some big brakes from Dynatrac, and a 3.5-inch lift from AEV. It's gonna be an awesome package. It's gonna handle on the street perfectly, and gonna be a vehicle that's enjoyable and fun to use off-road. I wanna walk you a little bit around this Chief because there's some cool detail about these things that make them pretty unique. One thing that you can see, they come with the hard rock heat reduction hoods. That's pretty cool. Of course, this thing is a real interesting color. I really like it. It's definitely a throwback to the old school Cherokee Chiefs in the late 70s when they had these big white hard tops and stripes just like this. As you can see, it comes with a decal package down the side, the Chief emblem here, and this big white hard top. These are all signature details of this Chief Edition. Back here, Mike is unpackaging all the stuff that we're gonna be using, and we're gonna show you a little bit more about that a little bit later, but you can see we've got the AEV lift here, the wheels from Quadratec. We're doing a heavy-duty tire carrier from TerraFlex, big brakes. It's like Christmas in here. We're gonna show you the whole process. We've got the JK Chief project all wrapped up, and I think this thing turned out awesome. The color is amazing, and the bright blue with the white wheels look awesome. That contrast is out of this world. I want to give you a little bit of a recap of exactly what we did. Remember, we used the AEV 3.5-inch kit, which comes with their ProCal tool for calibration, so everything is perfect. Tire pressure, speedo, it is all exactly where it should be. We use these Quadratec vintage wheels. These things are 17 by 8.5 with a +10 offset. So it puts the edge of the tire right to the edge of the flare, exactly where it should be. Even better for Pennsylvania with pretty strict inspection laws. We use the Falken 35-inch tall tire, which is a great tire to be using all season, great wet weather traction. They actually come with a triple mountain peak snowflake rating, which means they're even rated higher in snow. Last thing I want to talk about is that spare tire carrier from TerraFlex. It is an awesome solution to get a good spare tire mount on the back that is adjustable up and down, as well as in and out, and it comes with a really trick little third brake light mount, so you can again stay legal with the right third brake light. I love this thing. It is right at home, whether you're in the mountains or at the beach. I can picture Jimmy Buffett driving this thing all the way into the sunset. Let us know what you think about this Jeep in the comments section. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, where all the content we're putting out is hosted. Last but not least, if you want to see projects like this, as well as some of the other cool projects that we do, head over to our website and click on the Showcase tab. There's a ton of inspiration to be had there. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.